In today's video, the easiest creamy tomato chicken you will ever make. First off, heat a medium frying pan on a medium heat and spray with low calorie cooking spray. Once the frying pan is up to temperature, next add your 2 chicken breasts and fry these for 5 minutes on both sides. Once the chicken has been fried on both sides, transfer to a plate and set aside. Now in the same frying pan, spray with low calorie cooking spray and add your garlic and stir fry this for 1 minute. Next add the chicken stock and deglaze the pan. Now add the passata, mix this in well. At this point add the salt, the sugar, and then the cream cheese, mixing the cheese in until it's fully dissolved. Return the chicken to the pans and simmer until the chicken is cooked through, turning occasionally. At this point added the dried chilli flakes. You can add more or less depending on your spice level. If you'd like to see more quick and easy recipes like this one, please like and subscribe. Serve this with creamy mashed potato and some broccoli. And there you have it, easy creamy tomato chicken.